Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily log into your Movement Mortgage account. First of all, launch open any web browser of your preference and in the URL box at the top type in movement.com and search. You'll then end up in the official website for Movement Mortgage. From here, go ahead and click on the Customers drop-down at the top of the screen or mouse over to it and you'll see this information. Click on Pay My Mortgage button in order to get to the login screen. Now click on Login from the next page and you'll be taken to Movement Mortgage's login page. From here, you can go ahead and enter your username in the text box on the right side. Go ahead and type down your username and then your password on the next page. After typing down your correct credential, if you want the system to remember your username, click on this little box at the bottom. If you're using a public or a shared device, leave it unchecked. And then click on this I agree box, which is mandatory, and finally click login. After you click on login, you will be logged into the home page of your Movement Mortgage account. If you don't remember the login credentials during signing in, then you can also get help by clicking the Forgot Username or the Forgot Password button at the bottom of the screen. So that was how you can easily sign into Movement Mortgage account's dashboard, where you can view your payments, statements, and loan details. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.